Yes guys, welcome back to Crypto Alert. Today we're looking at an upcoming NFT project I'm personally extremely excited by. Now, if you want to understand why I'm personally excited about this NFT, you will need to watch until the end of this video. Before we go any further, I am giving away 1 Solana. All you guys gotta do is like and comment down below with your favorite NFT. And with that out of the way, let's dive right in. The NFT is called Otter Club. It's sitting at 300 followers and it's at really early stages. It's got a doxed founder, really good art if you actually go ahead and look at it. It's otters in different styles and it's extremely unique, really well put together and extremely clean as well. They started a bunch of marketing too, which is great to look at, but really the art stands out as it is colorful, unique, and I've got to say it looks really good. As I did say, the founder is openly doxed. He's been open, transparent throughout in the Discord and Twitter, and you can actually check him out as well. The link to his Twitter and Instagram and stuff will be down below, and as you can see here, he's openly up saying that he is the founder of the project. Now, why is this important, guys? You might be wondering. Now, the reason I see this as important is because we're not only investing into the NFT, but also in the person behind the project too. At the moment, he's being honest, transparent with this NFT project. I can easily see this project doing some good numbers, especially if everything is going as it is for the long term. At the moment, they are doing some marketing, some giveaway marketing, which we have seen with so many NFTs. And right now, really, they're doing a great job with it. The first giveaway post they have run is currently sitting at around 170 likes, 5 quote retweets, 130 retweets, and this is the first proper giveaway tweet they have done, and there's probably much more to come with this project being such early stages. The first post actually goes back to February 10th, so yes, they have been around for less than 2 weeks. That's how early we are in this NFT. You're still able to get whitelisted. The minting date hasn't been announced yet. The supply of the NFT is actually 5,000. Now, if you actually go through the tweets, you can see a bunch of tweets mentioning the Otterverse, which is seeming like going to be one of the pieces of utility if you own the Otter NFT. They will have their own metaverse going by the name of the Otterverse. Now, obviously, we still got a bunch of information to fill out here, so I'd highly recommend you guys to follow the Twitter and join the Discord. I'll also be hosting a giveaway for some of the NFTs in my Twitter. I'll partner up with them, so definitely go ahead, follow me and follow the Otter Club on Twitter to stay updated. They also have a Discord server, which I'll be linking down below, with a really close-knit community of around 100 people at the moment. Extremely early stages as well. And also to clear up, this is a NFT in the Ethereum chain. From the looks of it, they are also trying to build some storylines for different otters. Here we got Otter M, the first of all otters to enter the metaverse for this NFT in particular. And more of his journey will be revealed soon. So from the looks of it, they're trying to build storylines for different NFTs. And we've seen this with other projects and it has worked out really well. At the same time, guys, I would highly recommend you to join the Discord, follow them on Twitter and do your own research on this. As in my opinion, I am extremely hyped about this project simply because of how early it is and how much of a good job they've already done with the art and the marketing. But it is early stages, and the one thing that's really got me excited about this again is the fact that the founder has been honest, open, and is also doxed. That's, in my opinion, a massive changing point, and the art itself really does look good. Now guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Remember, I am still running the 1 Solana giveaway. I'll try to announce the winner later today or possibly tomorrow, maximum Wednesday. So if you guys want to just join really quickly, all you guys gotta do is like the video, which unfortunately I can't check. Just gotta be honest with that, and comment down below with a favorite NFT you're either holding or you're looking to purchase. In the description, I am also going to be linking my Twitter, where you guys can enter my 3 Solana giveaway to 3 different followers. Link to that will also be down below. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.